I am Prophet, and today is gonna talk about something. To be able to travel in time, or to be able to manipulate the matter, or can make humans to think that they don't want to. You know what I'm talking about. Lucy. Yes, I like to say this like that. And also, I watched this movie too many times, and lots of times. Maybe 50. I don't remember. But I remember like all patterns of this movie. Not all words, not all things, but I can remember this movie so easily. And why I watched this movie too many times, because I really treat this movie as reality.
Oh God, that was horrible.
Why? Because I think the brain has the power to manipulate the quantum mechanics. If the brain can manipulate the quantum mechanics, then it can create, destroy anything. It can literally touch the low language of this universe, low level language of this universe. Yes. Now you will argue me, and now you are arguing me and say that human brain can't do that. Now I will share my idea about that. Why I think this is. We all know that human brain use all its potential, 100%, completely, totally, all its potential. And but you can't do that. I can't do that. We can't use all its potential of our brains. You're gonna tell me, no, this is not reality. We can't do that.
But that's simply not possible.
Why isn't it possible?
It's just not.
Why not, you stupid bastard?
All the thing is we are weak. No, this is not reality. This shouldn't be reality. If we can control our brain completely, which is not reality, I don't even want to think about this, because I know I can't do that. Example, I can't control my heartbeat. I can control my literally neurotrophic my brain transmitters, my blood. Nothing is under control of mine.
You're goddamn right.
And also yours. In human body everything is under control of its brain. Yes, we have stomach, and there and in stomach tract there are so many neurons, we know, but all of them is controlling by human brain. This is complete reality. Now you're gonna tell me, now come on and back your question, back your argument. Our brain can use all its potential, yes, but we can't do use. I say this, you say we can use this. Why you used to say that? Because you have no idea what you're talking about. And also I have no idea what I'm talking about. Because of these things, we have no idea what we are talking about. But I have a small idea about that, and you will know that. You do not research, but I'm gonna make you know this information. Yes, you're right. There is an using all potential thing, but you're not right. This is not about you. This is about your brain. Brain can use that, but your consciousness, which actually we don't know about consciousness, but consciousness means everything about you. Now I'm talking about these things. Yes, it's my consciousness, and this is what I am. Consciousness is what you are. Consciousness is not the simulation. Consciousness is all the activities of the brain which comes out like this. All process of the brain is consciousness. Yes. Now, we now, yes, you are right. You there is a thing about using O's potential, but it's not about your consciousness. It's about your brain. You can't use that. So this is all about, scientists say 1% or 10%. I agree this, and I think it's less than 1%. And there is a thing, how can we use all its potential of our brain? Literally, this question make me mad. I every time think about this, but I can't find anything about this thing. How can we access all of our potential? This is what we should think about. Using electricity or using in Lucy stuff. No, it's not about, it's not a great idea because it's the movie. It's not reality, all of its things, but it's reality about the manipulations for me. For me, manipulating matter, everything is reality in Lucy movie. Yes, this is not so much seems like reality, but I think this is my bias about this. And you maybe think this is not reality. Why I think this is reality? Because this is, if I said it before and I say this again, quantum mechanics. If the brain can access the quantum mechanics of the universe, it can literally can it. This means it can literally have accessed low level of universe, low level language of universe. If you have the access C or C++ in computers, you can assembly language of the computers, you can completely manipulate all computer functions. This is all about, this is also completely implementable into the human brain. Now the question is, how can we access all abilities of human brain? There is a movie, I don't remember what it is. No, I don't remember. Yes, I remember. The Lawnmower Man. If I said the movie name so clearly, you watched this, I think. In this movie, he said, in the past, wizards which do do things like manipulating matter, these are not lie. They are almost completely reality. And he said also, no, this is not completely what he said. This is about the meaning of what he said. He said also, I have accessed this potential of human brain through through the digital thing. Yes, this VR. Yes, the idea of human brain potential also talked in this movie. Now, scientists also try to understand how can we access the all of this potential in the brain. And I also have no idea. If I have idea, why I record record this video, I can control everything and the universe. Now there is a thing you should say: if human brain literally can do the things what Lucy did, this means there is no God. Yes, exactly. There is no God. Religions are a stuff of lie. Literally, this is completely reality. Religions are completely fiction. Religions say that God only has the power, but in reality, human brain can do the things. I think my video is not so informative, but I I'm trying to talk about things, and this is my first videos. Please forgive me my less information videos and my language problems. I'm trying to correct these things. I'm trying to handle these things. After maybe 100 videos, maybe I talk so fast and so intelligently. But this is for sure. I never will try to do things unnaturally, like other YouTubers do. Example, first creating a script, reading the script, even reading the script to look the camera, or completely learn this script by heart and again talk this. But if you ask him or her, they can't answer. But if you ask about what I talked, I literally can answer this. This is what I am, and I will not stop. I'm going to do this every day, and I think one day will come, and I am and I will talk so fast, so intelligently, and I will talk even naturally, but so informative for you, and so nice, so efficiently. They even can't imagine, because they are all their things are not natural. But I will be natural for you. I will be like friend for you. Please forgive me if you don't like the video. And I am the prophet, and we are the one who try to make you understand things like us.